The implementation of detailed professional role profiles within a company offers numerous benefits and enables various practical applications. These profiles, which include a detailed description of each profession, alternative job titles, daily tasks, technological skills, technical abilities, and soft skills associated with the role, are essential tools for strategic personnel management and development. Each role profile includes professional role. The section begins with a brief description of the professional role. It provides details on key responsibilities, such as managing project execution, tracking milestones, and resource management. Specific job information. This section includes a detailed list of daily tasks and responsibilities, such as project planning and monitoring, client communication, and overseeing project staff. It also lists the required technological skills, with a list of essential software and tools for the role, providing a clear indicator of the technical capabilities needed. Professional requirements. This section describes the job activities and specific requirements, such as negotiation skills, time management, and problem solving. It is crucial for understanding the daily expectations and the practical skills required. Worker requirements. This section provides a list of skills, such as critical thinking and active listening, necessary to perform the job effectively. This part of the document helps to identify the personal and professional traits an individual must possess to succeed in the role. Worker characteristics, a list of soft and interpersonal skills required, such as leadership and integrity, emphasizing the importance of a balanced approach between technical and personal skills. Soft skill match. This section links specific professional skills from the Eggup database to soft skills, highlighting how interpersonal abilities translate into professional effectiveness within the work environment. Eggup's role profiles offer numerous benefits, including enhanced recruitment and placement of personnel. The role profiles enable HR managers to precisely identify the ideal profile for each position, thus improving candidate recruitment and personnel placement. Clear requirements for each role help in choosing candidates who best match the company's needs. Targeted development and training. With a clear understanding of the skills required for each role, customized training and development plans can be designed to bridge specific skill gaps among employees. This not only boosts personnel effectiveness, but also enhances job satisfaction and company loyalty. Performance management role profiles facilitate performance evaluation by providing objective criteria based on expected skills. This allows managers to deliver constructive, precise feedback, fostering a merit-based and efficient work environment. Succession planning and talent management, identifying key skills needed for critical roles aids in succession planning, ensuring the right talent is ready to step up when necessary. Role profiles help map career paths within the organization, supporting effective talent management. These profiles not only outline the skills and responsibilities for each role, but also serve as a benchmark for staff recruitment and development, ensuring that employee skills align with the organization's strategic goals. Through these resources, Eggup provides valuable tools for facilitating talent management and HR planning in companies.